Bandhavgarh has been a dream of mine for decades. I have never really managed to get a core booking, maybe because I did not try hard enough or whatever. And of course, with life being fairly busy. And this time I saw one of this Wilderlust's ads on Facebook. And from there I contacted them, and after that it proceeded smoothly. And because it proceeded smoothly, I did not kind of rethink my decision. In the event, it turned out very well, maybe much better than I expected.
I plan to visit all national parks in India, and I'm starting from the south, so I've finished Karnataka and Maharashtra, so I've moved on to Madhya Pradesh. But Bandhavgarh specifically was an easy choice because of its reputation for all the sightings.
It is nature at its best, little dry being Madhya Pradesh, and very fortunate weather helped us.
Landscape is peculiar that in the same park there is almost different types of foliage and ground situation. One is very dry and another is wet type of things, and one is plain and another is hilly terrain. So it's a nice variation within the same park.
We saw lots of tigers. We did 5 safaris and we spotted a tiger at every safari. In addition to tiger, we saw jackal and its babies. We spotted an elephant. That was interesting. Sambar, nilgai, spotted deer, mongoose.
We saw a lot of birds. We did photography of birds.
Green bee-eater, owl, spotted owl, hawk, 2-3 types of hawk, adjutant stork and other storks also.
We saw wild boars, a snake also, and deer. Deer is overflowing, and some very beautiful peacocks.
First day we were waiting for the tiger. The guide and the tour manager, they were very sure the tiger will come out. But we were not very sure, waiting. But to our surprise, when we could see the big tiger, it was such a huge big one. He just came out from the watershed. And then he started walking up. His majestic look and the bright color, shining color of his skin literally kept us very happy.
Yesterday evening was great because we had to wait for about an hour and a half, and it was fairly comfortable. And we were waiting, we moved to a few places, but we came back to the original point. And that decision of Shashank's, as well as the guide and the driver, that was borne out correctly when we saw that beautiful, probably a female sub-adult, which just walked across lazily, and we could see her for such a long time, and she was beautiful, and the coat was gleaming, and she was full of health. I would think that that is something which I would keep in my memory for a very long time.
One was the elephant. We spotted it out of the blue, and that was interesting because it even throws light on how your wildlife corridors are very helpful, and they're not really native to this area, but they migrated from another place. Monsoon forest is great. It's again smack in the middle of the forest. Huge property, very well maintained rooms, clean, and exceptional food and exceptional hospitality.
The geyser
Warm water.
arrangement for warm water, and it had a rustic look, which is the best thing of it.
So nicely and so thoughtfully it has been made. And secondly, staff, I want to thank all of them, taken care of us, and with a touch. Main point is humanity. The driver, Manu, was really good. He knew the area, he knew the jungle, he knew the track, and most important, he negotiated very nicely. So many safari jeeps being crowded in one place, negotiating the vehicle and taking us to the spot where it is very important. That is a sort of expertise. And guides, definitely, they had a knowledge, they had the idea, and they were involved in sighting the animal.
One driver for all the 5, you develop a rapport with the driver, so that really helps. He also feels that he should put 100% of his effort. And it was really nice of Monu to be with us for all the 5 days. I don't think without Shashank this whole trip would have materialized, because he was the mentor there. So
I think it was excellent because we wouldn't have been so single-mindedly focused on the safari and the safari, if we had come on our own. And this is one thing which makes it, I would say, a great company to go with. Maybe we will try again with the same firm, time permitting.
Mr. Shashank Birla, a young chap, energetic chap, and he is very knowledgeable. That's the main thing as a guide. He knows lots of things, herpetology, entomology, and local flora and fauna, about all sorts of national parks. That's very educative.
Fabulous, seamless as always. So it's become my annual tradition that I do at least one safari with Shashank. So that should say it all.
That was an amazing safari, guys. If you would like to in fact join us on our safari tours and expeditions, please do connect with us on the platforms mentioned below. And if you'd like to know more on India's wildlife and our protected areas, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.